happy morning, students. Hope you are all doing well and safe at home. Now it's time to study. Welcome back to our English class. Dear children, before stepping into our class, let's have a warm-up section. Today, we are going to discuss about the trees. Trees are beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Are trees useful? Yes, dears. Trees are very useful. Now, tell me what you know about trees. I think already we have discussed a lot about trees in our previous class. Trees are the biggest plants on the planet. Trees are very important because they give us fresh air to breathe. They give shelter for wildlife and food to eat. Not only this, medicines are derived from trees. Do you all know that? Yes, dears, very good. There are many medicines that are made up of trees extracts. Trees play a very important role in our life. We cannot survive on earth without trees. Trees are for everyone because to every person a tree has some gift to offer. It provides shade for the tired travelers. Trees are so beautiful, they attract us. They make us to enjoy the beauty of nature. Yes, children, not only for us, even the birds and animals get food and shelter from the trees. Even when the trees is chopped down, it is useful and profitable. The wood timber is used for carpentry to make furnitures. Yes, dears, we get fruits, we get shade, we get timber, medicine and various other useful things from the trees. It is one among us. Children use trees for their games, isn't it? Yes. Have you seen children playing around the trees? Okay. Do you like to play? Yes, I understand. Playing around the trees gives us lots of enjoyment. It's a great joy. We will also get fresh air. Have you seen children swinging on the branches of trees? Have you tried it? It's a great fun, right? I think all are aware of the word swinging. Yes, dears, it's an action of moving back and forth or from side to side on an axis. Swinging is an exercise. It makes us fresh. We can have lot of fun. Yes, my dear children, have you seen the Adyar banyan tree? Could you like to visit that place? Yeah, tell me why. Adyar is very famous for its banyan tree. It's a real landmark not only in Adyar but also of Chennai. This Adyar banyan tree is one of the hidden gems of Chennai. It is known to be around 450 years old. It is the oldest existing tree in the city of Chennai. The aerial roots of this tree have become well rooted and the entire tree appears like a bunch of several trees. The total area exceeds up to 59,000 square feet. Yes, dears, this great banyan tree draws more visitors to the garden. It attracts people. We will feel like going again and again. It is a place for us where we can feel the real beauty of nature. It also makes us to realize the importance of trees. It is considered as one of the largest trees in the world. It measures around 240 feet from north to south and 250 feet from east to west. The poem Trees is a very beautiful poem. It's a memory poem. I have a video for you. It will be easy for you to memorize. Let us see the video and come back. Are you ready? Yes, children, come on. Dear students, what you see in the picture? Which part of the tree is green in color? Where can you see the root? Name the brown colored parts of the tree. Name some fruits.
Banyan is the largest of trees, the pupil quivers in the breeze. The banyan is the largest of trees, the pupil quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall, the neem tree's fruits are very small. The coconut grows up straight and tall, the neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us splash and shade, the dates leaf fishes sharp as a blade. The tamarind gives us splash and shade, the dates leaf fishes sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood, the mango gives us fruit that is good. The teak tree gives us useful wood, the mango gives us fruit that is good. The banyan is the largest of trees, the pupil quivers in the breeze. The banyan is the largest of trees, the pupil quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall, the neem tree's fruits are very small. The coconut grows up straight and tall, the neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us splash and shade, the dates leaf fishes sharp as a blade. The tamarind gives us splash and shade, the dates leaf fishes sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood, the mango gives us fruit that is good. The teak tree gives us useful wood, the mango gives us fruit that is good.
Today, we are going to see the Unit 2 poem Trees, written by Sarah Coleridge. The poem tells us about feelings of the nature. It also tells us to save and plant more trees for the future. Trees have always been useful to men. Trees are responsible for existence of life on earth. Now it's time to see about the author. This poem was written by Sarah Coleridge. She was born on 22nd December 1802 in Cheshire, Cumberland in England. Died on 3rd May 1852 in London. She was an English translator and author of children's verse, known primarily as the editor of the works of her father, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. During her childhood, her father was seldom at home, and his brother-in-law, Robert Southey, chiefly influenced Sarah's early years. For her children, she wrote pretty lessons in verse of good children in 1834 and Pentasmian in 1837. Fairy story with some delightful lyrics. It's a beautiful poem written by Sarah Coleridge. Now I am going to read the poem. Just listen to me. Are you ready? Okay. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruits that is good. Now let's get started. The banyan is the largest of trees. In this poem, the poet describes about the trees. First, she talks about the banyan tree. What she says? Yes, the banyan is the largest of trees. Largest means very big. She is describing it in a superlative degree. She says, compared to the other trees, banyan is the largest. The comparative form of large is larger or bigger. The superlative form of large is, yes, largest or biggest. They usually start their life by growing on another plants. Banyan tree is one of the most commonly available tree species in India. Many temples across the country have been constructed underneath this tree. The characteristic features of old banyan trees are the development of aerial roots which hang above the ground. Banyan trees are filled with lots of medicinal properties. Do you know, children? The extracts from the banyan trees are used for the treatment of various types of infections and diseases. Also has immunity boosting properties. It prevents skin allergies, relieves ache and rashes. It is also beneficial for our brain. It helps us to reduce stress and also prevents depression. The leaves have powerful healing and antimicrobial properties. And it can be used for treating disorders like dysentery and diarrhea. The leaves have powerful healing and antimicrobial properties that can be used for treating disorders like dysentery and diarrhea. The root extract of the banyan tree shows prominent antibacterial activities against many bacterial species responsible for tooth decay. Yes, my dear children, a study demonstrated that the banyan tree root extract, when mixed in a toothpaste, showed significant potential to destroy or kill germs. Next line is, the people quivers in the breeze. Quivers is to shake or to move with a slight trembling motion. I think all are aware of the peepal trees, isn't it? Have you seen the movement of the leaves? Yes, dears, the poet describes it so beautifully. She says the leaves of the peepal trees quivers in the breeze, which means the leaves shakes very beautifully in the gentle wind. It shakes with the small movements. The breeze, the light wind makes the leaves to shake in such a beautiful manner. The poet admires it. She also describes it in a beautiful manner. As we know, peepal trees are very beautiful, isn't it? Yes, it is also a storehouse of medicinal values. It is used to treat many diseases, ranging from asthma and skin diseases to kidney and various blood-related problems. It has great medicinal values. It helps in treating fever, cold, asthma, high pain, jaundice, heart diseases, dysentery. It It is helpful for our teeth, provides relief from nosebleed. It helps in blood purification. It is considered holy as it is worshipped for centuries and also has religious significance. Yes, my dears, according to Ayurveda, every part of the peepal tree has several medicinal benefits. It is being used since ancient times for curing many diseases. Hope it is clear. Now, shall we move on? Yes. The next line is, the coconut grows up straight and tall. How the coconut tree grows? Yes, it grows straight and it is also tall, right? Straight is moving towards in one direction. That is without a bend or a curve. Tall is more than average height. The coconut tree grows up straight. It grows exactly vertical. And it is also tall as if it is touching the sky. Coconut is a fruit of a coconut palm. Coconut flesh is high in fat and can be dried or eaten fresh. Coconut can be used as oil for cooking, for skin and also for our hair. This plant lives on the sandy soil. It requires a lot of sunlight and regular rainfall is enough for the coconut tree. Coconut tree is also called as the tree of life. It's a kind of palm tree with a single straight trunk and it has been used for many purposes. Every part has a use. Because of this, the trees are widely cultivated in many places all around us. They are rich in vitamins, minerals and also contains powerful antioxidant. Before you can eat a coconut, the white flesh needs to be separated from the outer hard shell. The freshly grated coconut can be easily added to your recipes. We can also store it in the refrigerators for a few days. The water is a healthy, refreshing drink. When you break a hard shell, it has a mildly sweet water inside. This water is known for its extreme health benefits. It is also very tasty. Am I correct? Yes. This wonderful natural drink is very popular during the summer season. The leaves of the coconut palms are very large and beautiful. People use these leaves to make fences as well as they use it as roofs and walls for their huts. The coconut oil is quite popular because of its unique attractive flavor. You all know about the coconut milk? Yes, it is also very popular. Coconut leaves have thick sticks. They can be used to make brooms for our homes. The wood fires in traditional kitchens. The neem tree's fruits are very small. In this line, the poet describes about the fruits of the neem trees. Do you all know neem trees? Yes. Have you seen the fruits of it? It's very small, isn't it? But it has lots of medicinal values. Yes, dears, it is used for eye disorders, diabetes, wounds and leprosy. Neem leaf is used for leprosy, eye disorders, stomach upset, skin ulcers, disease of the heart and blood vessels, fever, diabetes and also for the liver problems. It is a medicinal plant. The bark, leaves and seeds are used for making medicine. Root, flowers and fruits are also used. Neem twigs are used for cough, asthma, urinary disorders and diabetes. People sometimes chew neem twigs instead of using toothbrushes. The stem, root, bark, and fruits are used as a tonic. Yes, dears. Some people apply neem directly to the skin to treat skin diseases, wounds, skin ulcers. It is also used as a skin softener. Hope you all understood. Now, shall we move on? The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. All are aware of the tamarind trees, right? Yes. We have seen it on the roadsides. It gives us good shade. Tamarind grows in trees as a soft dark brown colored pod. Pod is nothing but a long seed vessel. It contains black colored seeds. The pod, which is soft, sticky and sour, is the part that is used for cooking. Fresh tamarind has a unique sweet and sour flavor. We like it, isn't it? Yes. Tamarinds can protect us against diseases such as heart disease, cancer and diabetes. They also help lower blood sugar. Tamarind is rich in nutrients. It also has plenty of calcium and vitamins. It is also used as a souring agent. It can be eaten straight off the tree. Tamarind pulp is widely used for cooking. Tamarind has played an important role in traditional medicine. They can protect us against diseases such as heart disease, cancer and diabetes. It acts as antioxidants in our body. Yes, my dear children, hope you all understood. Now, shall we move on? Yes. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. Sharp is having a thin edge or point that can cut something. I think all are aware of dates. Have you eaten it? Yes, it will be very sweet. Have you seen the leaves? Here, the poet compares the leaves as a blade. She says it is as sharp as a blade, which means the leaves are pointed and looks so beautiful. From the time it was discovered, which was thousands of years ago, dates were known to have healing powers. We love to eat it because it is so delicious. It has a dark red skin and longish in structure. Soft flesh as unique sweet. It is not only tasty, it is also important to note that the fruits come with lots of health benefits. Dates are a good source of various minerals. It also contains calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium and zinc. Yes, my dear children, it helps us in many ways. It is rich in proteins and also it is rich in vitamins. It improves bone health. It lowers cholesterol, strengthens the nervous system. It also promotes digestion. It improves our skin. The teak tree gives us useful wood. Here, the poet explains us about the teak tree. What she says? Yes, it gives us useful wood. Teak is a hard, durable wood used for making furniture. Teak has been widely used in India for more than 2000 years. It is expensive. Teak is one of the most valuable timbers. It has a great beauty. It is naturally water resistant and physically very strong and durable. Yes, my dear children, teak tree is a big tree. Its length is from 100 feet to 150 feet. The bark of teak is light brown or grey in color. This teak tree also has lots of health benefits. Its bark paste is applied on the forehead to reduce pain. Its seed oil is used in skin diseases. It is useful in reducing fat. The fresh leaves juice is applied on sores and cuts. This teak tree gives beauty to our house. Mango gives us fruit that is good. In this last line, the poet describes about the mango fruit. Mango fruit is delicious, right? Yes, we all love to eat it. It takes 3 to 4 years to grow after planting. The mango tree gives us fruits which is delicious, but it is also very good for our health. A mango is a stone fruit cultivated mostly for their edible fruits. A mango tree can grow quite large, reaching a height of 100 feet. Growing mangoes from seed can be a fun and enjoyable products. Have you tried it, children? Yes. It is also fun and enjoyable for kids and also for the gardeners. It is one of the most popular fruits in the world. Yes, children, I'll tell you some of the surprising benefits of mango leaves. Mango leaves are very useful for managing diabetes. It lowers blood pressure. It fights restlessness. It also treats kidney stones, cures respiratory problems, treats dysentery. It is also a remedy for ear aches. It heals burns. Yes, my dear children, that's all for today. Here, in this poem, the poet describes about the trees. She also tells us about the fruits. These fruits gives us lots of health benefits. So, don't avoid any fruits. Eat fruits to lead a happy and healthy life. And also, try planting more and more trees and add beauty to the nature. Trees are not only for beauty, it makes us to live in this world. Yes, my dear children, hope you all understood. Now, shall we have a quick recap of what we have learned? Are you ready? Okay. The banyan is the largest tree. The leaves of the people tremble in the gentle wind. The coconut tree grows tall and straight. The neem tree produces very small fruits. The overspreading tamarind tree gives us cool shade in summer. The leaves of the date tree are as sharp as a razor blade. The teak tree gives us timber to build a house. The mango tree gives us delicious fruits. Today's assessment. Take your notebook and write the answers for this. First question. What does the people do? Second question. How does the coconut tree grow? Third question. What does the tamarind tree give? Fourth question. What is as sharp as a blade? Fifth question. What does the teak tree give us? Today's homework. Find the describing words given in the poem. Learn the meanings of the new words by writing 3 times. Pick out the rhyming words in the poem. Write a paragraph on trees. Dear children, hope this class was interesting. We have learnt a lot of things about the trees and the fruits. Go through the poem. Do your homework. Memorize the poem. Be ready for the test. See you all in the next class. Stay home and be safe. Thank you. Have a great day.